So then we have used that how we can implement graphics on computers. And if you want to implement computers, you have the graphics library and you have the graphics software. Graphics hardware. Two types of graphics softwares may be used. First is programming library. And hardware are the specialized tools which is used by computers to generate computer graphics like keyboard, mouse, light pen, joystick, scanner, OMR, VCR, etc. Graphics library is a library which has point, line, triangle, polygon functions. Using these functions, you can implement any graphics on 2D or 3D plane using any programming language. If you have any questions regarding this, then you may ask also. Okay. The graphics library has various functions, various predefined functions using which we can implement computer graphics via any programming language like C, C++ or Java. But if you want to implement 3D graphics on computers, then you have the required softwares like graphics software, programming language, graphics library and OpenGL tool. Next. As we discussed earlier that graphics is generated using coordinate systems, and we know that we have two coordinate systems on computer graphics, that's the 2D coordinate and 3D coordinate, and both are called the Cartesian coordinate systems. In Cartesian coordinate system, the origin point is 0, 0. Where x coordinate and y coordinate intersect, this is called the origin point, and we can denote it with 0 and 0. In 2D plane or in 3D plane, where can intersect x, y and z coordinate is called 0, 0 and 0. We can represent (3D) graphics using 3 coordinate value like P1 represents 10, 20 and 30. This is the x coordinate value. This is y coordinate value. And this is z coordinate value. While in 2D graphics, we have to plot a 2 point only, like point 1 is 10, 30, and this is called x coordinates value, and this is called y coordinate value. So this may be used to draw graphics, the coordinate system and the screen resolutions. You have knowledge about screen resolutions because you have to draw the graphics within the resolutions, and these are the resolutions. Length is 1024 and 768. This is the highest resolutions, and this is the maximum resolutions of computer graphics CRT in CRT monitors, and you have the knowledge about this 1020 and 768, and according to these coordinates you can draw any 2D or 3D graphics. So how to process 2D graphics? Input, using input we can instruct computer what to draw. After inputting the instructions, it goes on the processing mode. In this mode, graphics, which is instructed by user, may store on computer memory, or we can say that on frame buffer. Frame buffer is the area where which holds the pixels informations of any graphics, and you can use by default frame buffers, or we can use the marketed purchased by the market frame buffers. So by default frame buffer is a low memory, the graphics, the computer which has a default frame buffer has a low memory. We can purchase a graphics card from market and add it on our motherboard to enhance graphics memory on computer. So if you want to enhance the frame buffer memory, you have to purchase a graphics card from market and you have to add it on your motherboard to implement heavy graphics. Here you can see the partitions of a space is divided on the 4 coordinate system, that if you have to draw the rectangle on your screen, and then you have to plot the 4 pixels, 4 coordinates on your screen. This may be 7 9, 14 9, 7 3, and 14 3. this is point 1, this is point 2, this is point 3, and this is point 4. This is point 1 of x coordinates, y coordinates, and so on. So using these coordinates, these 4 coordinates, and these 4 coordinates are in between the resolutions of computer graphics. And according to these points, you can draw a rectangle on your screen. So you can put a pixels by, you can draw a graphics, we can draw a rectangle using 2 ways. You can draw a rectangle using 2 ways, by raster or by vector. If you draw a rectangle using vectors, and if you want to draw graphics or draw a rectangle using rasters, in rasters, as you know that it may be the combinations of, it may form anything with the combination of pixels. It may form with anything, it may form anything with the combination of pixels, or it may form anything with the combination of object. These two are the basic difference of raster and vector graphics. And you can see that the bitmap, a rectangular array of the bitmap one-to-one with the pixels. And here you see the graphics which is generated by the vector graphics, and you can say that the graphics is generated from here to there and there is no pixels. And if you want to select this may be selected from here to there, and we cannot change the color of, we can change the color of this arrow, but you may apply only single color on this. If you want to implement multicolor on this line, you cannot change. But in vector graphics, but in raster graphics, you can change the pixels from here to there, from here to there, and from here to there. You can change the pixels color, and accordingly the color may be changed of the rectangle.